In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create filter in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to quickly focus on just the rows you care about without changing or deleting any data. Start by preparing your worksheet so Excel knows exactly which columns belong to your list. Click and drag to highlight the header row of your table, the cells that contain your column titles, like date, category, or amount. You don't need to select the entire sheet or all the rows below. Just make sure the header cells across the top of your data are selected. This tells Excel where your columns begin and ensures the filter will attach to the right labels. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and open the Data tab. This is where Excel keeps most of its tools for analyzing and managing lists. Look for the Filter button. It usually has a small funnel icon. Click Filter. The moment you do, tiny drop-down arrows appear in each header cell you highlighted. Those arrows are your filters for each column. Choose the column you want to narrow down and click its drop-down arrow. You'll see a list of all the unique values found in that column. To focus on a single category or value, first clear the entire selection so nothing is checked. Use the Select All option to uncheck everything at once. This step makes it easier to avoid accidentally including extra items you don't want. With everything cleared, pick just one option you want to keep visible. Select that single value in the list. As soon as you confirm your choice, Excel hides all rows that don't match and keeps only the ones that do. You'll notice the drop-down arrow in the filtered column changes to show a small filter icon, letting you know a filter is active. The sheet may also display fewer row numbers, indicating that some rows are temporarily hidden. Take a quick look through your results to make sure they match what you expected. If you need to adjust, open the same drop-down again, change the selection, and apply it. Filters are non-destructive, so your original data is still there, just out of view until you broaden or clear the filter. That's it. You highlighted the table header, opened the Data tab, turned on Filter, cleared the current selections, chose just one value, and now your table shows only the rows that match. This simple workflow is one of the fastest ways to zero in on exactly the information you need.